Can you hear me now? So, we are here for grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is multiplication fluency. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication facts up to 10 true or false, multiplication facts up to 10 select the missing factor, multiplication sentences up to 10 true or false, and then multiplication tables up to 12. So, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Multiplication facts up to 10 true or false. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 7 times 1 equals 6. Is it true or false? False it is because 7 times 1 is not equal to 6, so that is false. Let's start with the test questions. Seven times 1 equals 6. False it is because 7 times 1 is not equal to 6, so that is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 9 equals 36. Is it true or false? False it is because 5 times 9 is equal to 45, not 36. So false. Very good. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 9 equals 36. Is it true or false? True it is. 4 times 9 is 36. That is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 3 equals 12. Is it true or false? False. True it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. True it is. 7 times 1 is 7. That is true. 7 times 4 is 28. That is true. 4 times 1 equals 4. That is true or false? true it is. 4 times 1 is 4, that is true. 2 times 7 equals 14. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication facts up to 10. Select the missing factor. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So we have the product 21. So you are given the numbers, just find out to which two numbers when multiplied makes 21. So 3 times 7 makes 21. The correct option is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. That is 3 and 7. Let's just start with the test questions. So choose the numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 21? That is 3 times 7 equals 21. The correct option is 3 and 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box. So which two numbers have the product 27? You can try any pair of numbers, right? So which two numbers they are? They are 3 times 9 is 27. So the correct option is 3 and 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So which two numbers have the product 18? That is 3 times 6 is 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5 times 3 is 15. The correct option is 5 and 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two number have the product 6? That is 2 times 3 option number 1 is the correct option. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, which two numbers have the product 18, which is the correct option? So you are given two of the options. See which option makes 18. 2 times 9 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 times 9 makes 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, so which two numbers have the product 28? That is 7 times 4 is 28. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is multiplication sentences up to 10, true or false. So 2 times 10 equals 5 times 4 is it true or false? Basically, you need to solve both sides to see if the both sides are exactly equal, then that means that is true. So 2 times 10 is 20 and 5 times 4 is also 20. So both sides are exactly equal. That means the sentence is true. Got it? Now let's just start with the test questions. True it is, right? Because 3 times 2 times 10 is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20, so that is true. Is the number sentence true or false? Five times 5 equals 4 times 9. 5 times 5 is, this is the new website. You can try now. The new website is working. 5 times 5 is 25. Try and let me know that then I will tell you the other way. 9 times 4 is 36. So false it is. The correct option is false. Is the number sentence true or false? Try the email address. Try the website address I have written in the chat box. Is the number sentence true or false? 6 times 7 equals 3 times 10. Is it true or false? 6 times 7 is 42 and 10 times 10 is 30. So 42 is not equal to 30. False it is. The correct option is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 10 equals 4 times 5. So which is the correct option? That is false, right? Oh, no, true it is. 2 times 10 is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. So that is true. 5 times 4 equals 10 times 3. 5 times 4 equals 10 times 3. False it is, right? Because 5 times 4 is 20 and 10 times 3 is 30. So that is false. 3 times 9 equals 4 times 7. So which is the correct option? 3 times 9 is 27 and 7 times 4 is 28. So that is false. Option number 2 is the correct option. True it is. 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 4 is 12. That is true. Is the number sentence true or false? False it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is multiplication tables up to 12. So up to 12 means that is from 2 to 12, right? Now most of you know how to multiply. 2 times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 4 times 2, which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. It is option number 2 is the correct option. 4 times 1 equals 4. It is option number 2 is the correct option. 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 times 1 is 3. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 5 times 5 equals 25. It is option number 2 is the correct option. 1 times 1 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 times 4 is 8. It is the correct option is 8. 4 times 3 is 4 times 3 is 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 times 2 is 10. It is 2 times 5 is 10. Option number 3 is the correct option. 20 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is multiplication fluency is the lesson name. Chapter name, the lessons we have covered today are multiplication facts up to 10, true or false. Multiplication facts up to 10. Select the missing factors. Multiplication sentences up to 10, true or false. And multiplication tables up to 12. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.